Virus. A computer virus is designed to replicate itself and infect other computers or devices. It is named virus due to its similarity to biological viruses that spread from one host to another. Computer viruses are created with the intention of causing harm, disrupting normal system operation, stealing information, or gaining unauthorized access to resources. Here are some key characteristics of computer viruses. Replication. Viruses replicate by attaching themselves to host files or programs. They need a host program or file to spread from one computer to another. Activation. Viruses require the execution of an infected host file to activate and start spreading. They typically rely on users running or opening infected files. Transmission. Viruses often spread through human actions, such as sharing infected files via email attachments, removable media, like USB drives, or downloading infected files from the internet. Payload. Viruses may have a payload that can cause harm, such as damaging files, corrupting data, or disrupting system operations. They can also carry other types of malware, like spyware or keyloggers, as their payload. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and check the cybersecurity playlists for more.